Jesus, my friend. Pagkanindot. Oy, naday mo diha. Alright, gusto ko magliho-lingo pero mas importante, makashare tag mga maayong pulong. Alright. Lately, ako ang nabantayan nga, daghay, nagahiskot og forever dila. Okay. So, forever love, forever profession, or unsang klaseng forever. Kabulo po ta sa tinuod nga ang forever, lisod kay pangitaon. Pero, sa akong experience, die forever. So, talking about forever, let me share 3 key ways to find your forever. Are you ready? So, let's dive in. Number 1, be intentionally happy. No people, no situation, and no things can make you truly happy because happiness comes from within. It is how you perceive, receive, and deal feedback from outside positively. Second, take care of yourself. Check your physical appearance, the quality of your brain, and the purity of your heart, spirit, or attitude. Remember, forever will never be attracted to ugly, unwise, negative, and hostile individuals. Number 3, never disrupt God's chain of grace and blessings for your purpose or forever. Patience is the key. Accept what comes and goes. Kaya di ka kakontrol sa palibot, ko. Do not do illegal, inhumane, and unfair choices just to get your goal, even if you think others do another way around. Trust God. If it's meant for you, God will give it to you. Let God do His thing. No one is above the Lord or Him. I firmly believe that everything happens for a reason. Our forever lies on God's promises. Just trust Him and do not rely on your own power and understanding. Your life is in chaos because of pride and ego. You are nothing without Him. Now, if forever is what you're looking for, then you have to reserve a big space for God in your heart. Be wise to understand that God has a process for your purpose and meaning or forever. Ayan, so gets nyo na. Bitaw, hinawat na katabang.